Hi, this is Joyce Porcadilla Rubia from the General Baptist Bible College in Davao City, Philippines. As you may all know by now, because of the pandemic, we have been forced to hold classes off campus for the past 2 years now. We have been offering online and offline classes. Recently, the government has approved the resumption of in-person classes or face-to-face classes, granting that schools will comply with the many requirements that have been in place. For us to be able to hold in-person classes, we have to apply for a permit and we have to comply with all the requirements. This involves a lot of restructuring and retrofitting of facilities. This also involves construction of some facilities that we didn't have before. Of course, this requires a lot of finances. And that is why we are so thankful to all of you for your overwhelming response to our need and who have generously given to this need to help us start the work on campus. As of last week, the government has issued a memorandum that effective August to October, we can still hold blended classes, a combination of online and offline. However, effective November of this year, the full implementation of face-to-face classes is mandated. It is for this reason that we are working double time to have all the work needed finished by this time. So right now, I will walk you through to show you what has been going on campus so you can see the work that has been started. This is our main entrance. We had to do a big amount of work here because we have to have a separate walkway for entrance and exit, and we have to provide an area where students and staff are supposed to log in to get their temperature. At the same time, we have to have a hand washing area. This is something we never had before. In addition to this, we need to have separate restrooms for men and women on this side upon entrance. With that, our waiting area had to be redone because it had to be wider and bigger to accommodate more people with the observance of physical distancing. Another big restructuring needed is for the dormitories. We have to move the beds around and limit the occupants, provide better ventilation, fix their kitchen and restrooms. Here at the boys' dormitory, we have to add more restrooms, provide a dirty kitchen or outside kitchen because there has to be more space for them to move around. For our classrooms, as you can see, we had to work on some repairs and repainting because since we haven't used these classrooms for more than 2 years now, there has been a lot of repairs and maintenance work required. There's still a lot that needs to be done, like some of the trees need trimming, some needs to be cut down because some are hazardous and we still need to work on other facilities. For now, that's just what's been covered. We are hoping that by August, we can see what's been finished and continue working on the other areas and also upgrade our equipment. Again, on behalf of the entire Gbbc family, thank you so much for your overwhelming response to this great need that we have right now. As I have said, there's still a lot that needs to be done, but we are thankful that we have partners like you who continue to pray for us and continue to support us financially. Hopefully, in the next few weeks, I'll be able to send you another update of what's been accomplished and what's next in line for the next phase of work. Thank you so much once again for your continued support and prayers. This is doing together what we cannot do alone. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.